came from the youngsters, and we got the Lionel Polar Express train. We're not going to do a review because there's tons of other videos on it, on the reviewing part. What we're going to do instead is we're going to show you how to make your layout a bit bigger and better by adding a train crossing and a tunnel and a little town. We found something on Thingiverse that we modified and turned it into a train crossing. And we got some houses from Target. And we got something at the harbor store that we cut and used as a tunnel. And it fits just perfect. Let's get started! So we made a track on Thingiverse. Then we made like a platform for the track. Then we put that platform on the track and we put ramps on it. Then we sent it to the 3D printer, and this is what it looks like when it's done. These are some cars that we have, and as a test, I'm gonna run them over. You see they run pretty smoothly, and it's a similar scale to the train. Let's move on to the tunnel. This part needs to be done by an adult because it uses the power tool. Now that we're done with the building part, these are what the tracks look like, and we printed another straight track to make it balanced. Finally, let's see it in action.
enjoyed our video, and don't forget to subscribe.